Good evening and welcome to the Whiskey Lovers Society with me, Gert Retief, and tonight something special. Now, a long time ago, well actually probably almost a year ago, I got a list from one of my subscribers of all the lovely whiskies in his collection, and he said to me, well, pick 6 and I will gladly send it to you. And I went through this very long list of whiskies, and I picked 6 ones. Well, some of them was on the cheap side, but it was just a list with names, and as many of you have noticed, I am a big Macallan fan, and one of them piqued my interest. I have no idea about the whiskey. Only thing that I could see, it's Macallan, and of course I had to get a sample of that. Now fast forward almost a year, probably more than a year, it took some time to get to me. It was sent off to one of my friends in UK, and he actually eventually visited Brussels again. Supposed to do it every couple of months, but life sometimes get into the way, and I picked up the sample last week, and I was super excited to giving this a nosing and tasting. It is a wee sample, and well, to be fair and honest, I didn't know it's so bloody expensive. Otherwise I would not have picked this one. It is a lot of money for a whiskey. How much you gonna pay for this whiskey? Well, it's not so easy to find out the correct price. Anything from 800-900 euros for a bottle, and I've seen some of the prices going up to 2,000 euros. What am I talking about? Of course, it's the Macallan. It's called the 1874 replica. Well, there's a story behind that as well. I did a little bit of research to find out more. It was supposed to be a replica, and then they find out, well, the distillery bought up on auction all of these old whiskies from the yesteryear, and they made a replica of those whiskies, only to discover later on that replicas or that whiskey that they bought was fake. So they created a replica of a fake whiskey. But I think the writing was on the wall, and there's a lot of people that, well, craved this whiskey, loved this whiskey, and started hunting this whiskey. This particular one, the 1874, 11,000 bottles was created in the end, 45% ABV, and that is as much as I know about this whiskey. So quite looking forward to giving this old fake Macallan a little bit of a nosing and tasting. Now, it's a wee sample. There's only one take. There's no going back. And of course, to the subscriber that gave me this fantastic opportunity, Andrew, thank you very much. Much appreciated. And I'm sorry I picked this expensive one. I did not realize that. Color-wise, it is a lovely color. It's a rich, dark color. Now, I know it's a little bit dark, maybe. Hopefully you can see the richness of it. If you look at the oiliness in it, it really sticks to the glass, like a thick viscosity to it. Slow legs to form. It's going to be a good one. A Macallan, and one thing that I do love is a good Macallan. So on the nose, cheers. Ooh. On the nose, it's lovely. There's a fantastic sweetness to it. Now, I did a little bit of research on this one. Bloody expensive, you have to do the work. And what they do say is they use Fino sherry cask instead of the normal Oloroso sherry cask. And that is the first thing that you pick up, that Fino sherry. It's a way different than a normal Oloroso sherry cask influence. there's a complete different. And once you have tried Fino Sherry, you will never forget that smell of that. And I can completely get that Fino Sherry on this one. Oh my word, it is lovely. There's a darkness, there's a fruity component. There's a little bit of a prune note, a little bit of a date note. There's a little bit of a chocolate note that comes in. That dried fruit component is really lovely. And it's quite sweet on the nose as well. 45% ABV. You don't get a lot of that. There's a little bit of a citrus note that comes in. It reminds me a little bit of a tobacco note. There's a little bit of an orangey note. And a little bit of a zesty note that comes out. Oh, and that sweetness is fantastic. But the dark fruit is definitely the big component on this one. A little shaky. Man, it is lovely on the nose. Now, I know it's bloody expensive. And of course, this is going to be my only and last opportunity probably to drink this one. But nose-wise, it's definitely, it doesn't even feel like a normal Macallan. It feels a lot darker, a little bit sweeter. Definitely not the characteristics of a new Macallan that you buy now. And I do like it. Taste-wise, cheers. I can see why a lot of people are chasing this bottle. Doesn't matter the politics, doesn't matter if it's a replica of a fake. It is lovely. It's sweet, it's punchy, there's a little spiciness to it, there's a viscosity, a little oiliness to it. It covers the mouth, it just lingers with the sweetness, and that oiliness just covers the whole mouth. One more try. A little bit of a caramel note, that sherryness, a little bit more towards the Oloroso sherry. I don't really get the Fino sherry, but that is a little spiciness of that sherry note that comes through. And that heat of the spiciness that comes through as well. And everything just covers the mouth from top to bottom to the back. Oh my word, that is really a lovely whiskey. Alcohol-wise, 45% ABV. I'm not going to add any water to this one. For me, it is a perfect winter sipper. It's something that you just sit back and relax, pour a wee dram just for yourself. It is expensive, so definitely something that you savor, maybe out on a balcony in summertime or wintertime. It's going to be warming up the insides. Last sip. Cheers. Vanillas, a little bit of that dates, the raisins, maybe even a little bit of a chocolate note. There is a little bit of a bitter note that comes in, a little bit of an espresso note, and I think, well, I don't know how old this whiskey is going to be, but considering all the politics, I don't really care. For me, it is just that opportunity to drink something that is going to be special in my mind and something that I really enjoy. Last sip. My word, it is lovely. Now, it can also be in my mind because of this bloody expensive price of this whiskey, but it is an opportunity to try something that I would never be able to afford. So Andrew, my friend, thank you very much for this opportunity. I really appreciate it. It's something that I would recommend anybody if you can give it a go, if you have the deep pockets or if you have a good Patreon like Andrew, just to give you a wee sample of to give it a go. So thank you very much for watching on this fantastic Macallan for a Macallan fan. I really appreciate it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see you next time. Cheers.